Whoa, hello everybody. I'm going to quick do a tutorial today on how to submit parts to be 3D printed. And I introduced the Inventor fun assignments a couple days ago, which are the donut, the surfboard, the little table, the pizza cutter, the Lego brick, and then there's a couple other ones. And this is supposed to be a fun assignment that you get to then 3D print. So I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to submit Inventor files so that they can be 3D printed. Our 3D printers, the software and slicers that we use for them use STL files, while Inventor files are IPT. So here's a tutorial of how to show that. Okay. Here I have just a sample part. This is one of the parts from the Arbor Press project. Seemed to be kind of a challenging one for a lot of students. So I'm going to go ahead and 3D print it to help show us for next year. Okay. So to save this part as a STL file, I need to come up here to File. I need to go Save As, and then I need to go Save Copy As. Okay, once I get to this screen, I need to select somewhere where I'm going to know where it's at. Okay. For me, I'm going to select just my desktop. I'm going to give it a name, such as Table Print. This is the most important part right here. I have the restrictions on the assignment that you cannot submit any file type besides a STL file. As you can see, we are currently in an Autodesk Inventor part, IPT. What we need to do is we need to select STL. Okay. The difference between an STL file and a Autodesk Inventor parts file is an STL file is actually thousands and thousands of triangles. STLs work as triangles, whereas an Inventor file works as a solid object, whether that be rectangles, circles, all those different shapes. So we are going to save as an STL file to my desktop with a name that we know it as. So here I'm going to go Save. You'll notice it just brings you right back to your Inventor screen. This still says IPT. I can still work on this part. It's all the same. If I go to my desktop here, I should be able to find Table Print. If I double click on that, I can open it up in different apps, or I just know where it's at. It's an STL file. So from here, it'll be just like submitting any other assignment on Canvas. You come in here, choose file to upload, file permitted, STL, desktop, and table print. Okay, I put restrictions on it so that way I don't have to go through and convert everybody's Inventor files to STL files. Thanks for watching.